Lung cancer is the world's most deadly cancer, with only 15% of those diagnosed surviving more than 5 years after diagnosis. Up to 1 in 4 of those cancers will have a mutation in the KRAS gene, which generally results in poorer prognosis for patients. Finding ways to target the protein has eluded researchers since its discovery over 30 years ago. However, a new drug which binds to the mutation protein and stops it working, has just been acquired by the NHS. Lung cancer patients in England are set to become the first to receive a groundbreaking new treatment shown to stall the growth of tumours. The drug, sotorasib, is set to be fast-tracked to NHS patients after it was proven in clinical trials to stop lung cancer growing for 7 months. The novel treatment, developed by drug maker Amgen, has so far been tested on patients with the most common types of lung cancer, known as non-small cell cancer. The medication targets the mutations on the KRAS gene, which is found in a quarter of all tumors and is known as the Death Star. Bowel cancer symptoms: the sensation when having a poo that can be a sign taken as a tablet. The drug binds with the KRAS G12C mutation and makes it inactive, stopping cell division and cancer growth. The KRAS gene, or Death Star mutation, so called because of its spherical appearance, occurs in 13% of patients with non-small cell cancer. The gene is responsible for a protein that controls cell growth, which causes the proliferation of cells leading to cancer. About 600 patients are set to be given the drug in England, after an access deal struck with the manufacturer Amgen UK. Don't miss: high blood pressure, 3 drinks proven to reduce risk. Tips: cancer, the vitamin deficiency found in breast cancer patients. Insight: diabetes type 2, the cholesterol-reducing herb that lowers blood sugar. Insight: the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence and Amgen reached an accord to enable early access of the drug in England, on the heels of approval by the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, MGRA. The drug is said to benefit thousands of cancer patients in coming years. Around 3/4 of lung cancer cases are diagnosed at a late stage in England, highlighting the need for effective therapeutic targets for the deadly condition. Professor Charles Swanton, Cancer Research UK's chief clinician, said, "Sotorasib is one of the most exciting breakthroughs in lung cancer treatment in 20 years, targeting a cancer gene that was previously untreatable and built on decades of laboratory research that's unraveled cancer's inner workings. This medicine expands our list of effective precision therapies in lung cancer that are helping to improve survival for patients with limited options." It's great news that patients in England will now benefit from this novel treatment. Health and Social Care Secretary Sajid Javid said, "The UK is leading the world in rolling out new life-saving treatments so patients can access them as early as possible." This groundbreaking new drug, which stops lung tumours growing, will make a difference to people across England and bosses our efforts to get people the treatment they need. Amanda Pritchard, NHS Chief Executive, added, "The NHS has a strong track record of securing access to world-class treatments for our patients, and this lung cancer drug, decades in the making, is the latest deal landed by the health service in England which will save lives." Cancer services have been prioritised throughout the pandemic, and despite the unavoidable disruption caused by COVID, the NHS has put to good use the additional resources to help us respond, with the number of people getting treatment back to pre-pandemic levels. So I want to remind anyone who is worried about signs of cancer to come forward and get CAT, as the NHS is here for you and offer the most advanced care available. The new deal is one of many recently secured by the NHS, including a cholesterol-lowering jab which is expected to prevent about 55,000 heart attacks. The announcement comes as the NHS continues the latest phases of its Help Us to Help You campaign, urging people with any cancer symptoms or usual changes such as a lump in the stomach or breast area, postmenopausal bleeding, or unexplained weight loss to contact their GP immediately.